So looking at the front end, the bumpers are probably going to need re-chroming. There's lots of little dings in the paintwork. This is all going to need sorting, so I'm going to have to take the front grille out. And again, bodywork around the lights, just showing her years. There's the paint around the front bonnet. It's very similar on the other side. Quite a bit of damage to the front scuttle here. To sort this bumper out, I think I might just start taking the lights, indicators and bumpers off first. Disconnect the battery, and I think I'll get some tools out and start going. So the manual says to remove a front side light and indicator, you push and twist in an anti-clockwise direction. That was easy. And then I think it's a question of removing the screws. It is actually my intention to polish these up and reuse as much of the original screws and bolts as I can. Oh, and then probably same for the other one. They're all looking a little bit rusty. The bulbs, again, push and twist anti-clockwise. And I'm going to pop them all in a container and label it all up. Everybody who ever does these jobs emphasises the point of labelling and photographing everything as you go, so you can remember exactly how it goes back together 3 or 4 years down the road. So we've managed to get the screws out. A little bit of rust there. We've got a black wire and a red wire, and we've got a little union just behind, so I think I'm just going to pull that out there first. Okay, so that is not a connector, and the wires go all the way through into here, so I'm going to take the front grille off. Okay, front grille has got 6 bolts, 3 at the bottom, in the middle and on the right, and 3 bolts at the top. Now, the bolts at the bottom are 1/2 inch, and there's a bolt and a nut which you can actually hold with these rather nifty ratchet spanners. This is a 1/2 inch ratchet. I pop that on the top, and I could reach underneath the bumper, and very quickly, with a bit of releasing fluid, they came away. Inside, thankfully, the bolts are on a captive nut on the inside of the grille, and you can, with a light, just about see what you're doing in the top of the front grille. So you can just about get your hand around there and wiggle them off. So that all went reasonably well, and they're in the box, all labelled up. Well, I'll label them up in a minute. And the grille, and I can lift the grille away, and I'm hoping this is actually quite a new grille, so I'm hoping with a good old clean we can save this. Might need a new seal behind it, but we'll give that a good old inspection and see what we're doing with that later. And I suppose the refitting of it when it's either cleaned or replaced is exactly the same as, or in reverse, as the dismantling process. Okay, so the left indicator unit is out, and you've got one wire, the green wire, that goes through the big hole. The red wire went through the small hole, and then you've got this rubber that's on the back, seal. So there's a little bit of wear on the back of that. Again, we'll inspect that and see where we go with that. But then the two wires go into a bit of rubber sheath. So obviously you have to take that off to pull the wires out. I'm not sure if that's clearly an after part, but I can see why they've done it. And then the wires come up into the front here through that little rubber grommet, and you've got the red and the green, which corresponds with the main red. So two reds, the red wire plugs in there and the green wire plugs in with this green and white union here. So it's all much easier to get at now without the grill. And again, I'll get that grommet out. This large blue wire goes down to a large unit underneath the front of the car. We'll have a look at that later, but that's a single wire. Okay, so we'll get on with the other one and see where we go. So on the right hand side is the first problem we have with all these cars. So our front indicator on this side is held in with a bolt, and I'm not sure what that is, but obviously it's not a standard screw or an easy thing to remove, so I'll have to try and somehow pull that out without damaging anything. Same setup on the inside. Our red wire and our green wire, which again will run down into a bit of some insulating tube, which we can just feed through that grommet and remove that indicator. Okay, so front headlights. Usually these just pop off, but interestingly on these, I'll check the manual, yeah, these are held on with tiny little screws. So I imagine if I undo those, they should pop off fairly easily. So yes, remove the screws, easy peasy. Not sure that's standard, but we'll again we'll come to that when we have to. Right, see if we can get these headlights out. Usually means involve taking these little screws out around the unit. They all look fairly good. Another one there, and there's a fourth, so we'll remove those and see if we can drop that unit out. Right, so I've got little screws out. There's obviously been some damage to this wing at some point. It's all a little bit dented, but they just now pull out. So there's the wires. Some damage to that front wing. A lot of fill around there. You can see that that indicator just is not fitting properly in there, but hopefully now I can get that indicator out from behind. I'll just feed these wires through. But actually the headlight bulb looks salvageable. No big holes, not a lot of rust. Brilliant. So here are our headlight wires. We've got interestingly, yeah, blue and white with a blue and white, and a blue and red with a blue and red, and our black with our black. Single wires straight to a socket. We'll pull them out and then pull that down through the grommet, and then we can release that headlight bulb. Good. And then on the well, front left, offside. We've got, instead of Phillips screws on this side, we've got straight screws. Less damage around that front headlight. So we'll whip those 4 out. And then obviously on this side the wires correspond to the same red and white, sorry, blue and white, blue and red and black. So we'll feed that back through the grommet and pull that unit out as well.